Hello guys, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to create Snapchat private story. So for this, firstly, we need to update our Snapchat app. Once the app is updated, now open it and on the top left corner, click on your profile. Once you clicked, now you need to scroll down and there we have option of My Stories. So we have this new private story option. Click on it and from here you can choose the person whom you want to show your story. Choose them and then click on Create Story. Now you can rename your story from here. You can rename and then click on Save. Okay, so now if you click on Add to Private Story, so your gallery will open up and from here you can choose the image that you want to add. And once you choose it, then simply click on Private Story. So in this way, it will add it to your private story. In this easy peasy way, you can add your private story on Snapchat. So if this video helped you, leave a like on the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.